Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office. Introduction to statistics, or introduction to week number 3. So this week we're working on numbers as a description of data to give us more detail than what a graph would do. Graphs are really important, but it's clear sometimes you need to know more than just a general impression from a graph. You need to know what's the importance or the magnitude, how big of a deal does a number make. Then you need to work with the actual numbers. We're trying to find out how much difference does it make to have a specific kind of a measurement. There's some kind of change that we want to know about, and we need a number in order to have an idea of how important, how big of a deal that is. Now, there's two major ideas. The first one is the center of the data, and then there's also the variation or the change in the numbers. Remember, statistics is different from other kinds of math because the numbers change. So the variation in that number is really at the heart of what statistics is about. Again, there are instructions on how to use software to make this happen. Certainly, if we have a limited number of points, we can just make it happen by hand. But if you have like 150 data values, then you can't do that all by hand. You need to have some way of figuring it out. And especially some of the numbers, there's pretty complicated formulas, and you do need to know how they work, but you also will not be doing them with 18 or 20 or 25 numbers. It's just too much. So you need to understand how that software works. So yes, certainly, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And best wishes for week 3.